Hey there, chemical industry regulatory pros. Ever feel like navigating global food contact regulations is like trying to solve a never-ending puzzle? Well, I've got just the thing to help you crack the code and stay ahead in the game. Welcome to our comprehensive online training on global food contact regulations migration testing for pro-level compliance. This isn't just another compliance training, it's your shortcut to mastering the nuances of EU's Regulation 10/2011, FDA's food contact notifications, China's GB 4806 standards, and Japan's stringent MHLW thresholds. Imagine confidently ensuring consumer safety and securing market access with expert strategies for global food contact compliance across polymers, adhesives, and packaging materials. Our training helps you tackle critical challenges like non-intentionally added substances, identification using advanced analytical techniques like liquid chromatography, quadrupole time of flight and gas chromatography by GS mass spectrometry. Ever worried about missing hidden risks in multi-layer laminates or recycled plastics? We've got you covered with probabilistic modeling tools like Facet and Migrasolve, and strategies to overcome PFAS quantification pitfalls. Plus, you'll learn how to validate functional barriers under EU Article 14 and align with evolving standards for recycled PET PE under EU 2022-1616. So why should you not miss this training? Here's why. First, avoid six-figure fines and market bans. You should know that EU and FDA penalties for non-compliance are steep. Learn how to sidestep PFAS scandals, recycled material traps, and migration breaches before regulators strike. Next, your lab's methods might miss hidden risks. Yes, outdated gas chromatography. Mass spectrometry can't catch non-intentionally added substances or trace PFAS. Unlock non-targeted screening with liquid chromatography, quadrupole time of flight, and AI-driven modeling to stay ahead of competitors. Next, China's new GB 4806 demands action. Yes, get the testing shortcuts nobody's sharing to navigate stricter heavy metal limits and adhesive rules. Next, recycled plastics can break your business. Learn functional barrier hacks to avoid recalls. Last but not the least, suppliers might be your weakest link. Discover audit tricks to slash phthalate and non-intentionally added substances risks overnight. Who should attend? Well, regulatory affairs professionals, quality managers, R&D directors, technical managers, and anyone keen to understand the legal requirements of food contact materials. Our expert-led training covers global regulatory frameworks, advanced migration testing methodologies, strategic compliance through migration data, and compliance and documentation mastery. Plus, get hands-on with case studies, best practices, and more. Ready to future-proof your materials and secure a competitive edge? Click the link in the description to register now and unlock the secrets of global food contact regulations. Don't wait. It's your shortcut to mastering global regulations for food contact materials, FCMs, and staying ahead in the industry. Visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.